you all agree with it? I warmly
Yes, ma'am.
welcome you all for the virtual mathematics quiz for the year 2021-22 for grade 9 and 10 at Rainbow International School. A warm welcome to you all. So all of you are ready? Next,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ready? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Cheer up. Okay. Let's look at the participants of Phoenix House. Miss Navya Kothari, Master Arnav Mirani, Miss Batyam Lakshmi Sahiti, and Master Ravi Nandwani. Give a great round of applause for these lovely students. Next, we move to the Delphinus House. The participants are Master Satvik Arora, Miss Ishika Angare, Miss Hiral Raheja, and Miss Rashri Gaikwad. A round of applause for these students. All the best. Let us welcome House Pegasus, Miss Anushka Sagar, Master Sarfaraz, Miss Dvita Nair, and Master Aditya Dinger. A big round of applause for these children. Okay, all the best. Next, let us look at the next map. The Cygnus House participant names are Master Vedant Mehra, Miss Mishika Bandari, Master Vansh Shahani, and Master Grish Dhyani. A great round of applause for all the participants. I wish all the best for everyone. Okay, all are ready? Yes? Yes. Let's go to the general instructions. Each round will unmute themselves and answer only when the question is asked to the particular house. No extra time will be given after the completion of allocated time to answer a particular question. If two students will answer differently for the same question from the same house, then they have to decide and give one final answer. And no prompting is allowed. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. So you have to be very cautious before answering. So think well before you ink. Okay, are you all ready for today's round? Let us start with round one. This is a general round which consists of 4 sub rounds. Okay, let us move. All are ready with a pen and a pen? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let's move to the round one. Yes, I'll just read the instructions. Each team would be asked 4 questions. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for the wrong answer. If the team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared after 30 seconds. So in between, you can decide and tell within that stipulated time only. Okay, let us move to the next question of sub round one, that is of shapes. So, okay, are you all ready? Let's move to the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Phoenix House. How many squares can you count the image given below? And your time starts now. Just count the number of squares in it and just answer it. Yes, Phoenix House.
Ma'am, may I see the answer?
Wait for completion of the 30 seconds and then give your final input. Yeah, you can.
Ma'am, 14 squares.
I think you are absolutely right. Very good. Well done. The next question goes to Delphinus House. How many triangles can you count in the image given below? And your time starts now. Just count the number of triangles. Three, two, one. The time is up. Delphinus House,
Ma'am,
Ishika,
20 triangles.
Hazel. Shall I take it to the
16.
final answer?
Ma'am,
There are
20
two
triangles.
answers. Yes, tell me, Hazel, one answer, please.
Please take 20 triangles.
Oh, sorry, incorrect. There are 18. Yeah, next question for Pegasus. Find the number of parallelograms in the given below figure. The time starts now. Yes? You have to count the number of parallelograms in this and tell the correct answer. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Put your cameras on just to show it. Yeah, who is ready with the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
10.
Tell the answer. Let us try, Sarfaraz.
10.
Ma'am, 17.
Please give one answer. Yes. What shall I take the final answer?
Ma'am, 17.
Oh, you are incorrect. You missed it by 1. They are 16. Let us go to the next question. To Cygnus house, find the number of triangles in the given figure and the time starts now. Yes, Cygnus.
Come on, Cygnus.
Yes, Cygnus.
Ma'am,
Yes, time up. Yes,
ma'am,
Cygnus.
12 triangles. 12.
12.
What shall I take
12.
the final answer? Yes,
12.
Vedant.
12. 12.
Oh, sorry, you people all are missing with 1 or 2 triangles, but you are really trying a lot. It's incorrect. There are 14 triangles. Good going, good going, good going. Okay, let's move to the
Well tried.
round 2. Yes, you are really,
Well
children,
tried.
really, you are trying. I can see that the way they were participating in the quiz, it's really nice. Good, cheer up. Round 2.
Yes, they were going to do it in this round.
Yes,
The
yes,
second round,
definitely,
the
ma'am.
second round.
Second round. Thank you. The question goes to Phoenix House. Identify the pattern and which completes the pattern. So you have to think which is there in the question mark and answer that out of the 3 options being given to you. Yes,
Ma'am,
time is up. Yes, Arnav, who is saying
Ma'am,
that?
I'll have Ravi speak.
Yes, Ravi, tell me.
ma'am, see.
Yes, he is absolutely right because there is an order being followed in those things. Very good. Keep going, Ravi. Very good. Keep it up. And the next question goes to Delphinus House. Identify the figure that completes the pattern. So there is one question which have 4 sub questions. You have to identify which one is the right. Your time starts.
I'm option D.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth option.
Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Good going.
Very
Very
well
well.
done.
You started. Well
Huge
started.
round of applause for
Very
team
fast.
Keep going.
Next question, ma'am. Pegasus, identify the figure that completes the pattern. Yes, Pegasus. Time starts now. Yes?
Yes, Team Pegasus. I know you can do it.
Come on, children, come on.
Total thinking is happening. Yes, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up, children. Yes? Any guesses? Sometimes even guess works.
Marks
Yes,
are
Deepak,
option
yes,
B.
I think.
Please give a guess.
Yes, tell the answer. Sometimes
Ma'am,
even guess
option
works.
B.
There is no negative
Option
marking.
B.
B. Yes, it's right. Sometimes really guess works.
Well done, Anushka. Give a huge
Yes,
round of
good.
applause.
Yes,
That's
good
well
one.
done.
Good going. Okay, great going.
Good going. Keep it up.
Next, the question for Cygnus. Identify the figure completes the pattern and your time starts now.
Yes, Team Cygnus.
Yes, Cygnus, ready? Let us start. Your score. 3, 2, 1. Yes, ready?
Ma'am, it's C.
Ma'am, B.
Tell me one final answer.
Ma'am, B.
B. What did you say? Please be clear, children.
Option B.
Oh, sorry, it's incorrect because you should see that triangle and a circle. This is how it is going with the next consecutive patterns. Okay, that semicircle one, na? That is becomes the next pattern. Okay, nevertheless, no problem. We have many rounds ahead. We can do it there. Okay, let's move to the next sub round 3. Okay, here you should be very alert. Okay, this is missing number you have to find. Okay, all the best. Let's move to Phoenix. And your time starts now to identify the missing number.
Keep your cameras on, everyone. Hold the students, please.
Ma'am, may we say the answer?
There are 5 seconds more. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes.
Ma'am,
Well done.
25.
30.
25.
30.
25.
30. 30.
25.
30
Yes,
final.
Arnav.
30. 30. 30 final.
So I'll take Arnav's answer. He is
Yes, ma'am.
right. It's a pattern of square. So 4 square plus 3 square is 5 square. So 20 square plus 24 square plus 18 square is 30 square. 30 is the right number. Very good. Well done. Really, this needs more of logical thinking, I think. I
Very
really
well
appreciate
done.
it. Very lovely.
Very
good. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Next,
Keep rocking.
Delphinus, find the missing number. And your time starts now. Time starts now. Yes, keep thinking.
Yes, Team Delphinus. Gear up.
12.
Ma'am, 12.
Ma'am, answer is 12.
Yes, great going, Delphinus. Again, you have proved it. But then you started late.
Wow.
Very
That's
nice
good.
work.
That's good.
Absolutely nice. So 108
Good.
divided by 12 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So this is how it works. 72 divided by 24, which is that 3 multiplied by 2. Very nice. Well done.
And
Good
they all are
thinking.
getting charged up now.
Yeah, I know. Initially, the first round didn't. But
No,
by
no,
this
now
time,
they're all charged up and no, they're
good.
going to rock it. Yes, next.
Very good. And the
Yes.
next house, Pegasus. And your time starts now. Three, two, one. Sometimes
Answer is
usual
4.
answer is.
4.
What do you others say? Do you think it's right, audience? Are they
Yes.
right? Yes, absolutely
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Sometimes
Wow,
we
that's
forget the
great.
small things. It's only the number of.
Cool, cool, very good.
Great going, great going.
Very
See,
good.
only the dog. Like in the first, we have
Yes,
nine dots. Yes, good going. Next question goes to Cygnus. Find the missing number, and your time starts now.
I know, Team Cygnus, you can do it.
They will definitely
Yes,
do.
come on, Cygnus.
Cygnus, time up. Yes, what is the right answer? Yes, tell the guesses at least. I think your team is working with some guesses also sometimes. Krish, any guess? Sometimes we forget small things, you know. We think in very large way. Yes, Vedant?
Ma'am, 5.
5. That's incorrect. It's 1. Okay, it is 361. We have taken only the squares. That's what we think in a very large scale, but we forget to think small. Okay. No problem. Let us move to the next round 4. Sub round 4. So here, please be ready with a book and a pen, such that you have to exactly use your mathematical skills. All this time you have used your logical skills. So here, calculating. So here a figure will be shown. You have to find that missing angle. Okay, the first question goes to Phoenix House. So a pentagon is being given. So find the angle X. Your time starts now. Three, two, one. Yes, anybody? So mathematically, you should do. Yes.
17.
What is the answer? Yes. Who has told me?
Sahitya.
What is the answer you told?
17.
It's incorrect, dear. Angle sum property of a pentagon is 540. You should use that. Okay. It's incorrect. Let us move to the next question. To Delphinus, observe these figure. Line L and L2 are parallel to each other. You have to find the value of x. We have done it in our lower classes, 7th, 8th. Please find the value of x.
Yes, Team Delphinus.
Ma'am, 37.
No, ma'am. Uh,
Time up. What is the final answer? I'm
85.
getting
37.
yes,
Ma'am, 85.
85.
yes. So I'll take the answer from the Hiral. Yes,
85.
she is correct. Hiral, she is correct. So, good work, good work. So we have used
Great
Nice
going,
one,
Team
Hiral.
linear pair
Because
using
you
the
now
Well
have
interlocking
done.
and missing line.
Well
Okay,
done.
please
Good.
have some teamwork and you should mutually.
Well done, Hiral.
Yeah, well done, Hiral. Okay, good going, good going. So even you have proved not only logical, even mathematically, you all are great mathematicians. Good, excellent people. Let us move to the next house. Cygnus, find the value of x. Yes, 4, 3, 2, 1. The exterior angle property which we have studied. Yes.
116.
What is the answer?
116.
Final shall I take? But I'm very sorry, it's incorrect. Oh, never mind. There are many other rounds where you can prove yourself. Next, let us move to the next question to Pegasus. So please find the value of M when PQ and RS are parallel to each other and PS is a transversal. Pegasus, time starts now.
Yes, Pegasus. You all
You
can do it.
can. Four, three, two, one. Yes.
Ma'am,
Please.
110.
110.
110.
110.
Absolutely right. Good try. Good try.
Well
Very
done, Team
good. Well
Pegasus.
done. Keep it up.
Lovely. Very good.
Very good. So this
Good
is
going.
the
I got this
good
answer
going.
correct.
So this is the end of round one. So I would call Garima ma'am to announce the score at the end of round one.
So, after the focus of fantabulous performance by all the students, the score after round one as follows: Team Cygnus, 0 points; Pegasus, 30 points; Delphinus, 30 points; and Team Phoenix is leading with 40 points. Well done, everyone.
Well
Well
done.
done. Well done. Well
I
done.
know, Cygnus, you
Well
all
done.
neglect.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Anupama,
Don't
ma'am.
lose hope, Cygnus.
Thank you very much, Garima ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Let us move to the round two, which is called as the picture perfect round. I think this visuals, you are very good at the visuals. The instructions for it, this is a visual round. A picture will be shown to you. You have to exactly identify which is the suitable picture which fits it. For every question, it is again 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer. No negative answering for the wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question will not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared after 30 seconds. So are you ready? This is a picture perfect round. And the question goes to Phoenix House. You have to just identify that missing. And your time starts now. I can see good smiling faces now, at least round after completion of round one. Yes, Ravi is already ready. Okay, good going.
They all are ready, ma'am.
I know. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, tell even ma'am
third
has
option.
that.
Third
Option
option.
3. Option 3.
Yes, absolutely right. Good going. I told
Well
you
done,
these
Team
ones-
Phoenix. Keep it up.
Yes, Deepika ma'am is also trying to answer the questions. Well
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Thank you. Next, the question goes to Delphinus. Again, the same way, I think you have to understand the missing triangle. Time starts now. Apart from students, even teachers are excited. Let us wait till the time finishes. Two, one. Yes. Can I get the correct answer, Delphinus?
Option
Ma'am,
1.
it's option A.
Yes, absolutely. I think only got 30 seconds.
Option A.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Miss
even I was
ma'am.
correct.
Thank you very much.
Very well done,
Option
Team
Very
Delphinus.
well done, team. I can see. Okay, next question goes to Pegasus. And your time starts now. You have to find the hexagon, the missing hexagon.
So many heads
I
are up.
know.
Yes, the Hina
They're
ma'am,
waiting for the time to move fast.
to answer.
3, 2, 1. Yes. The answer
Ma'am, the
is
second one. Second one.
yes. Well done. Perfect.
Congratulations to Team
So,
Pegasus. Very well done.
congratulations. Very good. Well done.
One more right answer. Pegasus is very good going.
Yes, see, the next question goes to Cygnus. And time starts now.
वेरी नाइस. इस बार सिग्नस ने भी मैम टाइम से पहले हाथ खड़ा कर लिया है.
Yes, ma'am, Hina ma'am. They all are.
Because they desperately need marks, ma'am. They have to start their account. Yes? 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, Cygnus. Can I get the answer?
Option 4.
Option 4.
Yes, absolutely right. Well done. This is a perfect,
Give it
I
up.
can
Give a
say.
huge round of applause for Team
Yes.
Pegasus.
Very good.
I can say that
Very
this
good
round
answer.
went on very perfectly, really perfectly it went. Karima ma'am, can I please announce the score at the end
Yes,
of
yes.
round 2?
I know everyone knows the scores in this round because everybody did very well. Everybody answered correctly. So all the houses scored 10 points in this round. We shall declare the final scores after Fast and Furious round. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, we completed 2 rounds. Still we have 2 rounds more. So this is round 3 called as coding decoding round. So here I'll just read the instructions in this round. This round would be called as coding decoding. Coding will be given. In that you have to answer with the specified options being given. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for a wrong answer. If the team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared after 30 seconds. So are you all ready? This is a new round. I think
Yes, ma'am.
you all are ready. All the best. Let's move ahead to round coding, decoding, and the question for the Delphinus is, in a certain code language, the value of the contract is 56, growth is 30. Then what is the value of distribution? And your time starts now.
Come on.
Yes. Okay, time up. At least any guesses along the options? You can even use the options to say there is
Yes,
a
Team
particular
Delphinus,
pattern.
give it a try.
You
We
can
need an
try.
answer from you.
140.
130, I think. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Give us the final answer.
Give me one final answer.
130?
One
Okay, 130.
Yes, it is correct answer. I got this
Very well
really.
Good
done,
job,
Team
Satvik. Very
Delphinus.
good
Keep
job.
it
Okay,
up.
very good. Keep it
Well
up.
done, very good.
Very well done. The next question goes to Phoenix House. Be ready. And the question is, in a certain code language, if the value of 28 plus 14 is 50, 36 plus 43 is 63, then what is the value of 44 plus 52? And your time starts now.
Keep your cameras on, everyone.
Time is up, children. Yes, can I get the answer?
56B.
Yes, it's absolutely right. It's just multiplying. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 into 5 is 50. Simple coding is there in that. Okay, well done. You have
Very
really
well
absolutely
done.
well done.
Keep
Well
it.
done, Phoenix House.
Keep it up.
Keep it up. Next question for Pegasus is, if Delhi is coded as 73541, Calcutta as 825896662, how can Calicut be coded? And your time starts now. Pegasus. Yes, if you are ready with the answers, good
Anushka is
going.
already ready with the answer.
See the ma'am, full team raise their hands.
Yes, Taiba. Yes, Pegasus.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
Needless to say, well done, well done. Really very good. You
Common
have
answer, great.
great answer. Good going. Again, this round is also proved your intelligence. Then the next goes to Cygnus House, and the question is, in a certain code language, block is 13 and curtain is 27. Then what is the value of the word signs? And your time starts now.
Yes, Team Cygnus, you can do it.
Two, one. Any guess at least?
I'm 32.
Yes, absolutely. You were saying in a hesitating way, but it is absolutely correct answer. Well done, well done. So this is again, Cygnus
Very
has
well
really
done.
good, well done, good going. So really these children have really proved, apart from logical, you are able to do your aptitude test also. This is very nice, wonderful. Thank you. Garima ma'am, please announce the score after
Yes,
coding and
so-
decoding round.
After the showcase of fantabulous performance, terrific performance by all the
Yay.
houses, all have scored 10 points. So give a huge round of applause for all the
Yes.
houses. Very well done.
Yay.
Now,
Good.
ma'am, you continue. Thank you.
Because I could see the smiling faces. I'm happy because initially they were so nervous. So this made
No,
what
ma'am, now
happened.
they'll crash up. They were going to rock it in the next round.
Okay, next one we have. This is really a nerve-breaking round. I think we can. It's a round called as the Fast and Furious round, and the instructions for the Fast and Furious round are: Each team will be asked to be nominate a number from a team. Nominated member will be given 60 seconds for 8 questions in this round. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for the wrong answer. Team discussion is allowed. So here, every team member, so as the team is announced, you have to select one team leader. Okay. So I will take the answer. Whoever says that person's answer as a final answer. Others you can mutually discuss either in a chat box or by unmute yourself and you can discuss. Okay. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
start with Cygnus
Yes.
House. So with Cygnus
Cygnus
House,
House. Are
Yes.
you all ready?
who
Show me
is
your
the
thumb.
member?
Yes. Yes.
Cygnus. So who is the member?
Krish, will you go ahead?
Okay, Krish. So I'll take, keep your camera on, okay? So such that I'll take your answer as a final answer. And the first question is, 1 minute, ma'am, Garima ma'am, just
Yes, ma'am. I'll
note down the time.
Yes.
And your time starts now. The first question, find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. If you don't know, you can even say pass, you can move for the next question also. Because in 60 seconds, you should be saying this.
Pass it then if you don't know.
Escape.
Next question, how many faces does an icosahedron have?
I'm scared.
Ma'am, 8.
Wrong. Next question, a dice is thrown in air, the probability of getting an odd number.
1/2.
Yes, right. Correct answer. Next question. The area of a square is 144 square centimeter. What is the length of its diagonal?
I'm 12.
Incorrect. Next question. The value of 51 square minus 49 square.
Ma'am, time's up.
I'm
Ma'am,
9.
Okay. So they could only answer one question right. Okay. Next team, Pegasus. Who will be nominated as a team leader from this Pegasus? Yes. Take out one name. Yes, Anushka.
Pegasus House, we want one.
May I?
Anushka, are you ready? Can everybody do
Yes,
agree
ma'am.
with this? So we'll take Anushka. Others can even discuss. If you don't know the answer, you can just say pass. Okay. In 1 minute,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to answer this. Okay. The first question goes to Pegasus. And your time starts now. The mean of first 7 whole numbers.
Anyone from the team? Ma'am, skip.
Next question. What is the largest number that divides one of the 1,152 and 1,664? Guess may work even. If you can't, you can pass by.
Ma'am, option D.
Incorrect. Next question. In a bag, there are 3 red marbles, 5 blue marbles, 6 green marbles. What is the probability of getting red marbles?
Ma'am, 3/14.
Yes, correct. Next question. Find the length of a diagonal of a square whose side is 8 centimeters.
Time's up.
Only one question they have told.
Correct.
Okay. Let us move to the next house, Delphina's house. So whom I can take as the, who will
Should I
tell
go?
me the answer?
Can
Who?
I go?
Okay, Hiral. Can I take?
Okay.
Okay, very good. All the best. So Delphinus, and your time starts now. And the first question, the mean of first 5 odd natural numbers.
5.
Yes, correct. Next question, HCF of 26 and 91 is?
13.
Yes, correct. Next question, If we throw 2 coins in the air, then the probability of getting both tails will be
1/4.
1/4.
correct. Very good. Next question. A cone has a slant height of 25 centimeters and a radius of 7 centimeters.
Next.
What is the height? Next. Ma'am, next question. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is
0.
0.
incorrect. Next. The point whose ordinate is 4 and which lies on y-axis.
0,4.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Next question.
Time's up. Time's up.
Good. At least Delphinus has reached till question. Good going. Good going. Let us move to the Phoenix house. The last. This will tell us the final round. Okay, Phoenix, who you are going to select as a team leader?
Should I go?
Yes, Arnav.
Should I
Okay,
go?
so
Yeah.
all members do agree that with Arnav, you all agree? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and your time starts now. The first question. The mean of 6, 10, 0, 7, 9, and 11.
Plus 9, 32, 32 plus 11 is 43. 43 upon 7 is 43.
It's not there.
Ma'am, 6.14 or something. 6.14.
Incorrect. Next question. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5.
1.
Incorrect. Next question. A card is drawn from a set of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a queen card.
1/13.
13.
Yes, correct. Next question. If the diagonal of a TV is 40 inches and height is 30 inches, how wide is the TV?
40 square is 100 minus.
Skip.
Skip.
Next question. 0 of a polynomial P of x.
Time's up.
Good going. At least good going. Good going. So this is the end of rapid fire round. So score after fast and furious round. I wish Garima ma'am is ready with the score. Please.
Yes,
Obviously, जीता है solution.
Yes.
Pardon?
So before I announce the scores, I want everybody to switch on their cameras, please. Yes. So very well done to all the houses. And after reaching the end of mathematics e-quiz competition 2021 and 22, the 4th position is secured by Cygnus House with 30 points. Please give a huge round of applause for Cygnus House. The 3rd position is secured by Pegasus House with 60 points. Please clap. The 2nd position, what do you think? Who scored this?
Phoenix.
Who secured
Phoenix.
the 2nd?
Yes.
Phoenix.
So it's very clear. The 2nd position is secured by Phoenix House with 70 points. And today's winner of Mathematics e-quiz competition 2021 and 22 goes to Delphinus House with 90
Yes, congrats. Congrats.
Congratulations to all the participants. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Okay, well done.
We
Well
want
done.
some noise from Delphinus.
Yes, Delphinus, there is no yay and all, nothing is there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here's some
Thank
clap
you
from
very
Thank
much.
you, ma'am.
Lovely audience. Even teachers were so enthusiastic, even they were even calculating. It's very nice. I
Yes,
know,
yes,
I can
ma'am.
see. It was a wonderful round. You all have proved yourself that you are the great mathematicians of Rainbow International School. Great going, great going.
Anupama ma'am, thanks to you also for conducting so well. And Garima ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
You all rocked it. All the students, heartfelt congratulations to all of you for making it to the final quiz today. and Team Delphinus for being the winner. Very well done. Keep it up.
Very well
Thank you,
done.
everyone.
So on behalf of Rainbow International School, myself, Anupama Rao, would like to thank all the great students, all the students' cooperation and students shown up for making this program a grand successful. Also a big thank to our management and Director Academics for arranging such a wonderful quiz for the welfare of our students. Thank you to the lovely teachers and coordinators for all your support. Thank you again, everyone. Have a nice day.